It's not too cold. It's not like too bad. Like that day that I went out on the Diavel a couple of weeks ago. That was like 0 degrees. That was pretty bad. And would you look at that? It looks like it's pissing down in Wellington. Is that someone's... Okay, I hope that's not someone's random baby just out there. The fuck? Desperately need gas, so we'll head up BP and go get some gas. It's kind of annoying they don't allow you, especially if you're on a motorcycle. Well, I think it only applies to motorcycles, actually. They don't allow you to fill up before you pay, which is kind of lame. That's all good though. I don't normally go to BP. I only go to BP if I desperately need gas, which I do need. Again, that's very close. You see how close some of these cars get? Oh god, I still got shit in my eye. $35 I think I'll put in. Oh, look at all that like petrol on the fucking ground. Jesus Christ. Sucking the fat. Alright. All topped up. Forgot to put my mask up. God damn it. Alright, let's do this. Actually a pretty good song. Just didn't really register with me. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really mind riding in the rain. It's kinda nice. It only sucks when it's like raining and like ice cold. Like right now, I mean it's cold but it's not too bad, like I can tolerate it. Oh, my eyes watery again. Fuck. Uh-oh. Trying to think of some video ideas I could do tonight at the collective. I just got a text from Mark, who's one of the guys that helps run the collective, about if the trailer will be there tonight. Jim Carner won't be on because of this rain. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'll see what Mark says. I am hangry. The place we're going to is a cafe in Thorndon. It's a motorcycle themed cafe. It's pretty cool. My friend owns it. He's done a couple of photo shoots with me. He's pretty cool. He has an H2R, which is pretty sick, and an MV Agusta F4RC, which is also a super cool bike. I think if I recall correctly, at the moment he's got a Street Fighter V2 and a Ducati Super Sport 900 SS from the 90s on display at his cafe at the moment. Oh, I'm going.
Consequences of our greed, running back and forth, hating every word, devouring our sea, selling out the earth. No world war, genocide, the weak will be turned into slaves. Human rights, common sense, nothing will be left to say. Irresponsible, arbitrary laws, indisputable destruction of the gods.
Oh god, yep. Thank you for not pulling out. Probably best to just stay in this lane, my dude. Watery eye again. Oh, look at that, a 595. Nice. I love the baths. Such fun little cars. Oh my god, yep, that person was definitely about to pull out. Alright. Oh god. America. I don't think my friend's here. That's all good, so. Unless if he got an Escalade, which I don't think he did. It's cold. Not the coldest I've been. Oh my god. That sucks. Ooh. Time to go home. Caught up with David, which was pretty good. Got some admin stuff done. Now, just go back home and do some more admin stuff. Oh, okay, it's a bit cold. That lady is looking at me. Oh my god. I don't know if I fully did up my backpack. Oh well, should be all good. They wanted to hear it. Final Destination shit, bruv.